Morning, this is David from DCR Auto Repair. We have a 2005 Honda CRV. Check engine lights on. Runs rough after sitting for a few hours first thing in the morning, or if it sits for 2 or 3 hours, and then it runs fine. Has a p0303 and 304 misfire codes. Somebody's already done the ignition wires, ignition coils, brand new, all four. Brand new spark plugs, and of course it still has a misfire. This is number one. I'll show you number four. See, it's white. You would think that this one would be burning the antifreeze in the cylinder. I'll show you in a second. And this is the one out of cylinder number 4. And it looks like it's running rich compared to like running any antifreeze. See how white this is? But anyway, I took my bore scope, thinking that you can't, antifreeze is non-combustible. So once it burns off, it's gonna run fine. I think that the antifreeze is leaking inside the cylinder, so I got myself a bore scope here. And if you could see, this is the top of the piston here. You see the water droplets right there? Hopefully you can see them. See right there? Look at the water droplets on that. All here on the cylinder wall, right here. Put the piston on at the bottom of the cylinder so I could see the whole cylinder itself. And then we'll compare it to cylinder 1 just for, to see the difference between the droplets here and see how clean number 1 is. Go over here, put this in cylinder 1. Alright, now we have cylinder 1. And see how clean that is? This is a cylinder wall. This is a companion cylinder, so this is at the bottom, dead center too, just like cylinder 4. So when cylinder 4 is at top dead center, so isn't cylinder 1. And you see how clean this is? No water droplets, nothing here. See? This car has like 250,000 miles. And then we'll go over here too. See how clean that is? You can actually see still the crosshatch marks. That's pretty good with that many miles. You can see a little bit of wear here from the piston skirt. But it's clean, so that's the problem. Antifreeze getting inside the cylinder, so the head gasket's probably seeping in. One more thing I'm gonna do, I was wondering how acidic the antifreeze is. We'll do a quick test here. Just take the radiator cap off. Well, it's actually low. She could have even overheated this. She never even told me, and that could have caused the head gasket to let go. Let's see if I can go in the overflow container. And that's bone dry. That's not good. I was going to take a voltage reading, but of course the antifreeze is too low. I don't think I can do it. Yeah, we'll try anyway. So you just take your multimeter. Go to the voltage setting. Push from negative to negative. And then you put your positive lead into the coolant, but I don't know if I'm going to get a reading here. Oh yeah, I do have a reading. I mean, it's not terrible. I've seen it higher than that. It's 0.13. Like a quarter of a volt, that's a lot. So if you have like a quarter of a volt, 0.25, you definitely want to change the antifreeze. Because if the antifreeze has too much electrolysis in it, it will eat the gaskets, like a head gasket or some other gasket or O-ring. And that's all you do. And you take it back out, and of course it's zero. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this helps somebody out with maybe the same issue. So it stumbles when you first start it up, and then after, I don't know, 10, 15 seconds, of course it clears out. Because probably most of the antifreeze gets blown out the exhaust valve into the exhaust system. You're probably not going to see a lot of white smoke because it's minute. It's not a lot of antifreeze inside the cylinder. So if there was a lot of antifreeze inside the cylinder, you'd have white smoke out the tailpipe, and obviously you could smell it too. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good day.